Hey folks, Astron here. I'm actually here with another fix for some coding issues related to Matplotlib. There is a new update for Matplotlib, and it is the new version of 3.10.3. And I have noticed that the new update, since it installed, has been having some conflictions with I think it's IPYWIDGETS, I think it's called. So there is a update for that also, which you will need to install after you do your initial Matplotlib upgrade. So we're actually going to go and exit out of the Anaconda prompt. We're going to go to Anaconda prompt, and I am going to kind of go through the steps that you need to install specifically for Matplotlib. So what you need to do is first and foremost, you need to check your Anaconda version, you need to check your Python version, and be sure you can upgrade it to the updated version of 3.10.3. In this case, I am on the version that I need, and I already know that I am going to be able to install it. So what you need to do first is pip install matplotlib upgrade, and then it should already go through. And then after you do the Matplotlib upgrade, you're going to want to do pip install IPYWIDGETS, and then upgrade that as well. Because the reason why you're having conflictions with the Matplotlib version 3.10.3 is because you didn't upgrade your IPYWIDGETS. Now, I've noticed that there are some drawbacks to this update, which means for people that rely on specific Python versions, specifically for 3.9 or lower, you will probably not be able to update Matplotlib and as well as IPYWIDGETS. So be aware, this is probably the only fix for 3.12.5. I think this is the Python version. So if this helped in any way, feel free to share this to people who are having difficulty with this particular problem. And I honestly hope this fixed your guys' problem, because I was having problems loading my light curves for tests and my ground-based data. And I was like, why is this having a problem? I've never had this problem before, and it was because Matplotlib released an update and IPYWIDGETS also conflicted with it. So I don't know how I found this, but it's a confliction. So until then, I hope that Matplotlib and IPYWIDGETS can actually find some way to kind of correct for this update with another patch, but I doubt they're going to do it. But for all the coding folks out there, I hope this helps, and yeah, so until then, see ya.